Hey there, welcome to Wheel Joint. Today, I've got a helpful tutorial for you on how to adjust the manual seat height in a Kia Sportage. It's a straightforward process, but knowing how to do it can make your driving experience a lot more comfortable. So, let's get started. First things first, take a look at the side of your driver's seat. You'll find a lever that's used to adjust the seat height. It's located on the lower front side of the seat. This lever is what you'll be using to change your seat's height. Grab the adjustment lever and pull it upward or push it downward, depending on whether you want to raise or lower your seat. To raise the seat cushion, pull the lever up several times. To lower the seat cushion, push the lever down several times. As you move the lever, you'll feel the seat height change. Find a height that's most comfortable for you and provides you with a clear view of the road. Keep in mind that you should still have a good line of sight to the instrument panel and mirrors. Once you've found the right height, release the lever, and the seat should lock into place. If you need to make further adjustments, simply repeat the process until you're completely satisfied with your seat's height. It's all about finding that sweet spot that gives you the best comfort and control. That's all there is to it, folks. Adjusting the manual seat height in your Kia Sportage is a simple process that can make a big difference in your driving experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful car-related tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.